This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Stacy Seville. Welcome home. Charming single-level home in desirable Brookside West, located in the Lincoln School District. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers a spacious, open, and comfortable floor plan. Entering the home, you are greeted with a family room featuring a brick gas fireplace and mantle, and an open dining room to seat a crowd. The U-shaped kitchen offers solid surface countertops, breakfast bar, and plenty of cabinet space for ample storage. The living room has a built-in bar for entertaining and a sliding glass door that leads to the backyard. Down the hall is 2 guest bedrooms, hall bath, laundry, and the master suite. Spend your evenings outside in the fenced backyard with a stone-covered patio and 2 levels of lawn to enjoy. Home is located in an HOA community with low quarterly fees that provides access to a community pool. Home is complete with central heat and air, public water, and sewer, close to shopping and restaurants, and easy access to I-5 for commuters. For more information, review the details below or contact Stacy Seville at 209-566-4756.